We all have all sorts of different tasks in our onboarding and implementation process, and ideally we want customers to complete all of them. But the reality is, there's a handful of really important and critical tasks that have to get done in order for the process to move forward. At Arrows, we like to think of those tasks as milestone tasks, and part of why we built the completion actions feature is to help us get a better sense of how long it's taking customers to complete those critical tasks. In our process, scheduling a kickoff call is one of those milestone tasks. We really need customers to do it, and we want to get a sense of how long it takes customers to reach that milestone. So once a customer finds a date and time that works for them and completes that task inside of their Arrows plan, behind the scenes, the completion actions feature is actually adding a timestamp inside of a HubSpot property so that we can know what day that task was completed. And then a second calculated property is doing the math to help me understand from when the plan was started, how many days did it take for that kickoff call to get scheduled. And as customers make their way through their plan and continue to reach those milestone tasks, we get a better understanding of how long it's taking to reach those moments in their journey. And with that data all in HubSpot, I can zoom out now and get a better holistic understanding of how long it's taking customers to make it through our onboarding process and reach those critical moments. This data allows us to determine, is that good, or do we need to adjust our process so that we can help customers hit those moments even faster? That level of insights is one of the reasons we built the completion actions feature.